Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Vitus Sentier 2020, riding it a little and giving a little bit of a verdict. So we're riding the Vitus Sentier 2020 today. It pedals pretty well uphill as any hardtail, but I'm going to take it down more of the downhills in Swinley Forest to see how it handles that, see how it rides. So for £850, it's got through axles, pretty decent fork, Tetra hydraulic brakes and a 1x10 drive chain. Here we go, first run, sort of natural stuff. Handles the bumps pretty well. Squash that pedal a bit more on this straight. Brilliant for hardtail. Head loose. There we go. First run of the day. You say it can handle pretty much all the downhill stuff on a single track, natural kind of trail. No complaints so far. So the Vitus Sentier comes with WTB wheels, Swinley tyres, all pretty good componentry for the money. My only complaint from experience would be that Tetra brakes are not the strongest and they can be quite underpowered if you do very, very long descents, but any trail centre around the UK, any natural stuff, it's pretty yoga. What? Something didn't sound good there. So far, no issues. The only thing I've noticed is when it gets bumpy, there's a bit of chain slap. That can be fixed by having a chain protector on the frame. Now we're going to take the Vitus Sentier down Berminator. Lots of corners, see how it handles around bends. Oh, this thing rails berms. Squash that, and bend, up, movement section, over this. Fork works well. Here we are at the end of the trail. So as a stock bike, this Vitus Sentier, straight out of the box, not much wrong with it. So it's definitely a good buy for £850. So having done a couple of runs on the Vitus Sentier 2020, I'd say it's definitely a hardtail worth buying. Good price, good components. The only thing it's missing is a dropper post, and I'd possibly think about upgrading the brakes in the future, but out of the box it's pretty good. Over this sort of wooden feature. This bike pedals pretty well. For the geometry, which is quite long and low, I'm surprised it's so efficient. These bumps, pretty smooth. So this here concludes my Vitus Sentier bike check and first ride. And my thoughts on this bike are definitely buy it if you're after a bike under 1k and want a pretty good hardtail that can do everything. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading next Friday.